So on the second day, we did a workshop on metal bend, the type of metal that you use for construction. It's this thick, and you stick it up here in your throat. I used to think that it's on the bone, but it's not on the bone. It's on the soft part. And you're doing it with a partner. So we went to an ancient monument, a beautiful place, 4,000 years old. Apparently there's a few of these around Ireland. And everywhere we went on the way there, you can really see that it's sacred. This is the way, as you can see. People trim it down so it will be comfortable to pass. And tall people like me won't get injured. And our guide Steven, he decided that this is going to be a silent walk. So I'm walking way behind my team. And you can see that it's sacred because a lot of people leave these little toys, these little things, this little I love you and notes and things that they made by themselves. See, you can also see that a lot of people, they leave these little notes and gifts everywhere around the formation. Sometimes it's creations that people make. Sometimes it's sort of like trophies, or they write different things in order to cherish the energy and the sacredness of the place. I really enjoyed that. It's 30 meters in diameters. It's a bunch of rocks, huge rocks that you really ask yourself, how did they carry it all the way here? Just like with the pyramid and with Stonehenge as well. And we were there. I tried to climb and run around all the rocks that I could. Didn't manage. It was quite difficult, but it got my heart racing as well. In the beginning, I didn't really understand why we're taking these metal rods with us, but then I understood what the workshop is, and it was painful. I even coughed a few times.
Woohoo! Yeah. Well done, lads.
But that's because I was resisting it, and I shouldn't resist it. The first time, I believe that everybody's scared of anything, and the resistance creates even more pressure because you have to break through it, right? Just like with breaking the board. You can't try to break the board. You want to break through the board to the other side of the board. And that's what I didn't realize in the beginning. So the first attempt I failed, and on the second attempt, I had Hennings in front of me, which supported me, and I really looked into his eyes and I understood that I have to break through it. And that worked, and we bent it together and we hugged it out, you know, just like masculine men do. And yeah, that was the second day workshop. And after that, we went to a different event.